Continuing with the accounts, we've just had a quick look at what bank statements are. Let's look at the daily totals. Most businesses at the close of every day will like to know their daily totals, see what's gone in and out of the business. We've got the transaction date, totals in, totals out, and then the balance. Included in there is a little tax pool, which again relates to the tax pool in your bank statements. The records at the top, in the top of the section, are calculated in a horizontal fashion. Now we come down to double entry values. These are for people who do Excel spreadsheet type of accounts, and the double entry values are continued in a vertical fashion to then give you the totals of the balance, which should be exactly the same as that there. The since last statement values, these are brought from since last statements. These are the floating records. We've got since last statements in, since last statements out, and then the altered balance, which is the correct balance that we should be looking at. Got a small section on the right hand side to show the value of the tax pool that needs to be allocated. Under cash flow, this is the 365-day future cash flow projection. You can see straight away we've got the brought forward balance from the accounts, and we can double check that. Go to bank statement. See the balance there is 3,000. Go back to cash flow. We've got several sections here. We've got calculate cash, which is obvious. We've got insert quotation date and value. This section we'll be looking at closely later when we come under the quotations. Under the futures tab, these are any transactions that are coming out of a future nature. For example, if we had a mobile phone bill, as example, £19.23, and then the day of the month that is coming out of the bank, we'll say that's coming out on the 5th of every month. Again, not to worry, if we do make a mistake, we just delete the record and we can enter the values in again. You can save that record and close. Now with that being a future payment, we can go to cash flow and do calculate cash and come in back into it again. We see again our balance is brought forward from the bank statement, and if we scroll down we will see the payments going. I've done that incorrectly, so if we go to futures, there was an obvious mistake. We'll change it to an outgoing payment rather than an incoming payment. Save and close. Cash flow, recalculate the cash, and that will be now as an outgoing payment. Now it shows in red under the outgoings. Obviously with cash flow, what we've got here is the top line shows day 365 in the future. The section that's highlighted in blue is today's date. The reason why we put the future date at the top of the screen is basically just to stop you, or to save you scrolling all the way down to the bottom to find the total. So we put the last day right at the top, and then the current date is the next line down. And we can see there from our balance brought forward, the £3,000 continues until such time as our mobile phone bill comes out, and then the value is altered. Okay, come back next time and we'll look at since last statements.